Hi everybody, I'm Hugh Amano with foodonthedole.com. I'm here at the chopping block in Chicago, Illinois today. I'm going to show you a very simple side dish, some beautiful roasted tomatoes with some panko breadcrumbs, a little Parmesan cheese, and parsley. Very simple Italian dish. We have some nice, beautiful, thinly sliced tomatoes. Arrange them in whatever sort of dish you want. Over here, I've got some panko breadcrumbs, so some pretty coarse breadcrumbs, some Parmesan cheese. Into there, I'm going to get some lemon zest. Just use my microplane to zest about half a lemon here. Pop that right in. Salt and pepper, of course. And you know what? It wouldn't hurt to season these guys too. Alrighty, and then we're gonna also get some parsley right in the mix as well. Very easy. Mix all this up. And we're just gonna coat our tomatoes with this mixture. So we've got our tomatoes seasoned in our nice little breadcrumb and Parmesan cheese mixture. And I'd say that's about half a cup of breadcrumbs, half a cup of Parmesan, and about a tablespoon or two of parsley. We're just gonna coat that right on top. And this is just gonna give us some really nice texture and not to mention flavor. Use as much as you like. We don't necessarily have to put all of those breadcrumbs on there. Then let's drizzle a little bit of olive oil right on top. And into a 450-degree oven it goes. We'll check it after about 10 minutes. And here we are. After about 10 minutes, our tomatoes have gotten nice golden brown, beautiful, delicious. Let's finish this up with just a little bit of fresh chopped basil right on top. This is perfect to serve right away. You could also even let it cool down for a little bit. Room temperature, this would be delicious. There you have it, some roasted tomatoes with Parmesan and breadcrumbs. Again, I'm Hugh Amano with foodonthedole.com.